Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Kavu Creative. Today, we make geometric halftone pattern second method in Adobe Illustrator. We already make video on first method, so I recommend to watch it first, link given into the description. Let's start. Here we used 1000 by 1000 pixel artboard. Now, select rectangle tool from Tool menu. Left click on artboard, make 500 by 500 pixel square. Make center alignment. Select rectangle and right click, make guides. Again right click and lock the guides. Now select polygon tool from Tool menu. Type radius equals 100 and sides equals 6 pixels. Change color to black and make stroke off and. Now select hexagon and put it to left top corner side of square. Go to view menu and tick on smart guides and snap to point, so you can watch the pink guides. Now holding Shift plus Alt key, put it in left bottom corner of square. Select hexagon from left bottom side of square and go to transform panel and make it 20 pixel size. Chain must be selected, so object remains in same proportion. Now select top left side hexagon shape and change its size from transform panel, make it 5 pixels. Select both hexagon from left side, and goes to Object menu and select blend and click on make. You can also use shortcut key Alt plus Ctrl plus B. Now double click on blend tool and tool menu. You can also go to in object menu, select blend and blend option. Select specified steps and watch preview, make 27 steps and press OK. Select object and goes to effect menu and select distort and transform and select transform. Move horizontal 30 pixels and watch preview and make 17 copies by scrolling mouse middle wheel, press OK. Again select object and goes to effect menu and select distort and transform and select transform. Click on apply new effect. Move the horizontal equals 15 pixels and vertical equals 9.5 pixels. Watch preview and make 1 copy and select object and go to object menu and select expand appearance. Right click and unlock the guides and select hide guides. You can choose any shape for clipping mask. Here we select polygon tool from tool menu and make 250 pixels hexagon. Select all and make center alignment. Now change the size of hexagon according to pattern size. Now, select both and go to object menu and select clipping mask and click make. Select all and click on edit contents. You can change color, whatever you want. Now, it's look cool. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions regarding my tutorial, please ask me in the comments section. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks again.